Since trading in Forex is now more popular than ever, you'll come across a wide variety of programs that claim they can give you important information on current market conditions. Many of these programs are scammy or don't deliver up-to-date information. But this is where Forex Trendy truly shines. Forex Trendy is a type of computer software program that scans trends in the market using an algorithm. This program claims to offer a lower monthly price compared to other trend monitoring programs on the market. This program is not designed to educate you on how the market works or give you any stock market tips for beginners, but it does provide a live analysis of patterns and charts, in addition to Forex signals that are auto-generated. In this Forex Trendy review, we'll learn exactly how it works and what you can expect in terms of ease of use and whether or not it can help to give you an edge on the market. How it works for many, this program can be the key to avoiding trading when market conditions are too volatile. This program relies on a sophisticated algorithm in order to find market trends that look promising. It can scan up to 34 different currency pairs for time periods that range from 60 seconds to 30 days. Forex Trendy will look for every possible breakout pattern on every chart in any viable time frame, delivering profitable winners and losers ratios in a system that's very beginner-friendly. Money-back guarantee. This is a subscription-based service offered through ClickBank. If you're not satisfied with the program within 60 days, you can contact customer service and receive a full refund. Forex Trendy is not a trading robot. It will not place any trades for you. It's not an automatic trading bot that makes trades for you on a variety of platforms. All it will do is recommend trades. You'll still need to manually enter and execute trades on your own. You also won't find much in terms of educational resources. Instead, the system will simply provide a trend scanning service, which can help you determine what the best trades are based on current market conditions. How this Forex program different with all the popular Forex trading programs on the market? How does Forex Trendy manage to stand out from the competition? This program isn't like other Forex programs, which can teach you how to pick out trades. It also doesn't engage in automatic Forex trading on your behalf, like popular programs such as the Wall Street Forex Robot. Instead, it's a market action-based trend algorithm. The program will constantly scan the 34 primary Forex currency pairs across every time frame, ranging from 60 seconds to 30 days. It's able to find key trends of the market session and timeframe based on live charts as they're developing. The program has been designed to recognize every type of pattern breakout as it happens, at which time it will generate a sound alert and an email alert when a trade is in progress. So, while the program doesn't make currency pair trades for you and it doesn't teach you what you need to know to become a pro trader, it does handle all of the dirty work for you. How to stay on top of the market once the currency pairs begin to show any signs of a breakout for one side or the other. This program will alert you to the situation as it's happening. This will give you the time you need and the opportunity to invest in pairs that have a high success rate, so you can make trades with minimal risk. This program stands out from the competition by using a proprietary scanning algorithm combined with charts and graphs. This type of information allows you to make solid trades without having to spend countless hours doing intense market research. Package details. With the purchase, this package comes with real-time charts for 34 of the most popular currency pairs, chart auto-analysis, which identifies main patterns for Forex pairs, overview guide of trends and major currency pairs, sound and email alerts, flags and triangles on 34 trading pairs, user-friendly interface, 24-hour a day, 7 days a week access to site features. Trading in the Forex market. Trading in the Forex market involves speculating on the constant fluctuation of foreign currencies. More specifically, the fluctuation between a pair of currencies. This type of trading is done for both profit and sport. Unfortunately, there's a high rate of failure among new traders, which is why programs such as Forex Trendy can be a great buy and a solid way to avoid many of the common mistakes most beginners make. But even beginners who are aware of these common mistakes can still fail to make a profit during their trading career. In the end, over 90% of new traders end up losing big and walking away from the market empty-handed. While losing big is common among beginners, the Forex market itself isn't a scam. This is a market that's designed for traders who have a genuine understanding of how it works. For beginners, the main goal is to learn how to survive long enough to learn the inner workings of the market. However, without programs such as Forex Trendy, this is a process that can require hours and hours of research. Trading as a beginner. Making money trading in Forex is an achievable goal, if you can keep your head together while you're learning about the market. You can practice using Forex signal programs first and begin trading small. It's also important to learn from your trading mistakes. While Forex Trendy is a program that provides you with information regarding current market conditions, before you jump in and start trading on the market, you should educate yourself on how the market works. In the beginning, it can take time to study currency pairs and what affects market value, but this should be done before you start risking capital. Learning the basics of the market is time well spent. Planning for success. In order to be successful at trading, you should first create a trading plan. This can include your risk of tolerance, profit goals, and evaluation criteria. Once you have a well thought out plan in place, be sure each and every trade you make falls within the parameters for trading that you've set. Since this program gives you the tools you need to make an informed decision regarding trades, you'll be less at risk of making a bad trade. Relying on a trading plan will prepare you for sudden changes and losses in the market. Practice making trades. Read the included user manuals and use the market condition information the program provides and practice making trades. At this time you can also put your trading plan to the test. Doing a few dry runs will give you the chance to see what it's like to trade currency while seeing just how effective Forex Trendy is and how well your trading plan holds up. Consistency is another key to trading. Every trader has lost money. However, if you can maintain a positive edge, you'll have a much better chance of coming out a winner. Creating a trading plan, using the right software, and educating yourself on the market is well and good, but the real test will be sticking to that plan and learning how to use Forex Trendy to your advantage. While consistency is very important, if you find that you're not making the type of profits you were hoping to, you may need to reassess your trading plan. As you become more experienced in trading in Forex and become comfortable using Forex Trendy, you can change your profit and trading goals. Don't go overboard in the beginning. If you're ambitious and have big goals, it can be easy to get swept away by all the promises other Forex programs offer. But using multiple programs at once is never a good move. This will only end up complicating your trading strategy, and the more complicated it is, the harder it's going to be for you to follow, especially if you're just learning about the market. This program offers the type of info you need to make informed trade decisions. Another trend scanning Forex program will be overkill. Why this program is so effective? The single most important aspect of Forex trading is knowing the trends. Otherwise, you're basically trading markets while you chase the price action, resulting in a loss as the market takes any type of profits you've managed to make from a single good trade. Trading smart. This program will help you to determine which trending currency pair is the best pair to trade and the right time to trade them. What makes these trends is pure price action on the market. So, what makes this program so effective? First, most competing Forex systems can make money following trends, but they also lose money when they make bad trades during a volatile time in the market. When you only make trades during strong trends in breakout moments, you'll be able to increase your winning percentage trades dramatically. By following the right trends during crucial time frames, you can increase your winning trade percentage by as much as 20%. Service perks. On the members only access portion of the Forex Trendy site, you'll find an ebook guide that explains the market patterns and trends, chart analysis and charts, email support, and dual delivered trade alerts. The login section of the site offers members unrestricted access. In this area, the traders will be able to receive constant and instant updated chart information. An in-depth look inside the included ebook titled Understanding the Myths of Market Trends and Patterns is easy to understand. It's also pretty basic and gives you an overview of how the trends and patterns in the market work. It's actually the only educational portion of this service, since the developers behind the program are not focused on educating members of the inner workings of the Forex market. Chart analysis. The program's algorithm will chart and analyze trends on 34 pairs of currency over the top 9 popular time frames. This type of analysis is constantly updated, allowing users to trade at any time of the day or night. The system analyzes different charts and sends them out via audible alerts and email so that the user can trade any developing breakouts in the market or be alerted to any type of important trends that the program comes across during the day or night. This information comes from the program's analysis of over 300 different charts. Ultimately, the system is providing the guidance traders need regarding when to trade a certain currency pair. User interface. When it comes to a visual representation of developing patterns, Forex Trendy makes it an art form. The program takes popular chart patterns and clearly isolates them on a variety of charts that are being analyzed. When the user receives a trade alert, they'll get a great visual that helps them to easily understand which trend or pattern the program has identified. This way, the trader will know the reasons behind the trade they're about to make. Quality customer service. Of course, this program wouldn't be as popular as it is without its excellent customer service team. Forex Trendy offers customer support via email. The company guarantees a swift response within 6 hours. For some, the fact that they're not able to speak with a live representative is a bit of a drawback, especially considering the sensitive time frame involved. However, most users claim that their emails were answered in 1 to 3 hours, which is better than average compared to other competing programs. Yet, it can be very frustrating to get into a trade and not be able to get assistance when you need it, especially considering your money could be at risk. Fortunately, customer service reps are available via email, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. These reps will usually get back to you in under an hour unless you're emailing them during peak times. If you feel stuck at any time when using the program, never hesitate to email customer service. Unfortunately, it will take some time to get a response, so you may lose out on an important trade. However, it's better to trade with a clear view of market conditions than to go in blindly and hope for the best. The lack of a live customer service rep is one of the biggest drawbacks for beginners. Pros: this system is easy to use, it works on all major trading platforms, a good buy for experienced traders and beginners. The algorithm scans the 9 major trading time frames across 34 currency pairs, 60-day money-back guarantee, chart pattern recognition included. Cons: this program doesn't help to educate the user on the basics of the Forex market because it's a web-based application. You'll need to have a stable internet connection if you're a beginner. The hundreds of charts and graphs can be overwhelming. Program performance: if you're someone who doesn't have time to do your own market research, then Forex Trendy can be the best thing that ever happened to you and your trading career. This is a software program that works for you. It tells you which hours are the most beneficial for trading and recognizes trends based on market action. This program will give you easy access to strong signals for time frames and provides reliable, accurate performance. Essentially, this is a tool you can't live without. The software really does a great job of making trading and navigating the market easy, so you won't have to waste precious time researching market conditions. Thanks to the simple, well-designed user interface, you'll have no problems navigating the software from minute 1. It's also highly accessible, meaning you can use it any time of the day or not. This package comes with a bonus PDF, which explains how to install the software. The instructions are well written and easy to follow. This package also includes a bonus manual which gives a more detailed explanation of how the program works and what you can expect in terms of results. The wide range of charts available allows you to see firsthand the best currency pairs, giving you the ability to compare, analyze and choose pairs based on profit goals and your budget. You're also given the option of choosing specific time frames so you can view market trends based on your availability. Since the software is so easy to implement and use, all it will take is a quick glance through the included guides to give you all the information you need to use this program. It's that intuitive. You'll have full access to important market information that you normally wouldn't have unless you spent hours online researching current market conditions. Since the market is so volatile and constantly changing, most amateur traders don't have the time it takes to make the type of informed trades that can lead to a higher profit. But with Forex Trendy, you will. This program removes the need to spend hours online. Instead, you'll have all the information you need with the press of a button. Trading with Forex Trendy, even using one of the leading programs designed to give you an edge on the market, you're still going to lose money if you don't have a plan in place. From the beginning, it's best to have realistic expectations in terms of profit. How much time do you have daily to set aside to make trades and check out basic market information? Even though this program can help you make more in the market, it's not a failsafe against losing capital if you don't do your part in terms of market research. Yet, Forex Trendy does give the trader a clear look at market conditions and can make it easier for the beginner to work towards a profitable trading strategy. Learning from other traders: if you don't think you're getting the most out of this program or you don't have a solid training plan in place, try interacting with other traders. An experienced trader can be a great source of information, especially if they have experience using Forex Trendy. If you're new to the market, finding a mentor who is willing to show you the ropes can be a huge help in terms of learning how to navigate the market. While Forex Trendy has proven time and time again that it can be an important, reliable tool that can help you to reach your profit goals, it will be totally useless if you don't know how to take advantage of all the material and information it has to offer. With the Forex market, you'll have a lot to learn. This program is just one tool available that can help you minimize your risk trading on the market. Final thoughts: this algorithm-based service claims they offer one of the lowest monthly subscription costs on the market. While it may not provide much in terms of trading education and training, considering how user-friendly the interface is and the well-laid-out material, learning how to read the charts is simple. Forex Trendy is a must-have tool for both the pro and amateur Forex trader. It comes with accurate, real-time information that will allow you to make a more informed trade decision, so you can trade with minimal risk. Trading in the Forex market isn't easy and it's definitely not for everyone, but with this program, you'll have all the tools you need to finally reach your profit goals. We gave this program a rating of 5 out of 5 stars. Click the link in the description for a discount on the Forex Trendy program.